Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to adjust your screen brightness in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. For NVIDIA users, you just need to open the NVIDIA control panel. Click on open it. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD driver chute. On left side, you just need to select adjust desktop color settings and you just need to scroll down. Under color enhancement, you can able to see the options brightness, contrast, gamma option. You just need to drag this brightness to whatever brightness you want, adjust it by your preferences. After adjusting it, select apply for save changes, and that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.